A few weeks ago, I was seeing a video on YouTube and the audio quality of that video was like this. So this is my original audio without any audio editing. And my expression was, and then I shared some of my tips to him to make his audio something like this. And this is how it's gonna look like after applying a professional audio editing skills. And then his reaction was something like this. So in today's video, we are gonna look at the most important topic for our YouTube videos, which is audio editing. And I'm gonna teach you how you can make your normal audio into a professional audio, which will sound like it is recorded by a professional mic. So my dear friends, without wasting any more time, let's move on to the tutorial. And don't forget to hit a like and click on the subscribe button. So the software which we are going to use is free to use and it's Audacity. Now how we can download this software? So for downloading this software, you can just visit audacity.com and there you can just select your operating system in which you want to download, like as Mac or Windows. Then scroll this page till end and here your file will start downloading. Install it and then open it up. And then if you have a pre-recorded audio, just drag and drop it here, or otherwise you can record it by just clicking on this red button right over here. But make sure you leave the first 5 seconds of your audio empty. Now here is my 6 simple techniques which will make your audio epic. Step number 1, trim out all the extra parts instead of that first empty 5 seconds. Now step number 2 is select that empty part and then go to the effects section and here click on noise reduction. Now click on get noise profile. After doing this, you need to again select the whole audio and again go to the effects section and then click on noise reduction. Now you can copy out my settings for getting better result. Otherwise you can play with this and then click OK. Now let's move to step number 3 in which we are going to make some minor adjustments in our audio. So for doing that, we need to select our whole audio by pressing Ctrl A on the keyboard and then go to the effects section and then choose compressor. Then you can use my settings to get better output and then click on OK. Now let's move on to the step number 4. In step number 4, as you can see, we have a lot of peaks in our audio. Now, if we want to make these peaks equal to our rest of the audio, we need to do some settings. So, select your whole audio by just pressing Ctrl A again and then go to effects. Then choose hard limiter. And here you can again play with these settings or otherwise you can copy my settings and click on OK. Now for making our audio more epic and magical, we are going to apply 2 more settings which are bass and treble. So select your whole audio and then go to the effects and then choose filter curve EQ. And here you can go to the manage option, then click on factory presets and here choose bass and boost and then click on OK. Now again follow these same steps, but instead of choosing bass and boost, choose treble boost and then press OK. Now cherry on the cake is to normalize this audio. So for doing this, again select your whole audio by pressing Ctrl A and then go to the effects and then choose normalize. And here you can again play with these settings or otherwise you can copy my settings and click on OK. Boom! There we go. Now you have audio editing. But what about video editing? Wanna learn? So click on this video which is on your screen. Otherwise, subscribe to my channel to get more content like this. So my dear friends, see you in next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.